solving absolute value inequalities involving greater than. So we just got done looking at absolute value inequalities with less than, and those always ended up with the compound inequality involving and. Now we're going to look at the compound inequality of or. Okay. Regardless of which way our sign is facing, our first job is always to isolate our absolute value. So I'm going to multiply by 3, multiply by 3, cancel that. I'm left with the absolute value of 2x plus 1 is greater than 3 times 3, which is 9. I need to subtract my 1, which I should be drawing this with a little hook so I don't get it mixed up with my absolute value bar. Subtract 1, and then I have the absolute value of 2x, those cancel, is greater than 9 minus 1, or 8. Okay, go into my two cases. 2x is greater than 8. It's my easy first one, my positive value. Now my negative value, 2x, is less than negative 8. Okay. Now that I've got my two cases and I've remembered to flip the sign and get my negative, I can solve for my variable. So for both of these, I'm dividing by 2, dividing by 2, by 2, by 2. Those cancel, and I have x. X is greater than 8 over 2, or 4, and x is less than negative 8 over 2, or negative 4. Okay. I can graph my points. Open circle on 4. Open circle on negative 4. My 4 value, x is going to be greater than 4, so it's going to be going to my right. My closed, or my less than sign, my negative 4, is going to be open circle going to my left. These aren't ever going to touch, so I know that my solution, I'm not going to have any and values. There aren't going to be any values of x that fit both of these inequalities, so it's going to be an or.